I'm just going through it right now. It's obnoxious. It doesn't. Oh! Guys, hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Chevelle, aka That'sSOOOChev. You can call me Chev. Welcome to my channel. It is August the 1st. It is the month of the people them. The people them month. It's the month of the Lord. It's every month is the Lord's month. Yeah. But it's our month. I don't go by signs. I don't go by none of them because up there anymore. I used to, but I don't. Yeah. But welcome to the fabulous month, the month of August. So I say this to say I am prepping for my husband's birthday. His birthday is on the 11th. And I have plans for him on the 10th. I don't know what we're doing on the 11th. I don't know what we're doing on the actual birthday. But usually we celebrate our birthdays together. So I'm just going ahead to make my sequence of plans. So I ordered his gifts already because sometimes I can do things last minute. So I made sure this time not to order gifts last minute. So I ordered his gifts already. We are picking them up tomorrow, Friday or Saturday, and he's not going to get them until his actual birthday. Yeah. I really wanted to do this thing that I saw where it's like what, sight, smell, hear, feel, taste. I wanted to do that, but then it's too much. What I start doing is I start either writing down what I want and tell him that's what I want, or ask him what exactly is it that he wants. Like, what do you want? I don't want to waste money buying things for you that you're probably not going to use, you know? So I tell him, hey, what do you want? And then he'll give me a list of, or he'll tell me the list of things that he wants, and as well as I observe the things that I know he wants and needs. So right. For his birthday, for August 10th, I have a couples massage plan. Make sure he's not here. He's not here though, but I want to make sure. So I have a surprise trip planned. We are going to St. Thomas. We're going to Lisson Beach, and we have a couples massage. I'm so excited. We have a couples massage. So it's treating both of us. I wanted to do facial and massage, but yeah. Yeah. So yeah, and I am planning on driving. Father, in the name of Jesus, give me strength. Give me strength, strengthen my body, strengthen my mind, anxiety, move. I'm gonna be driving all the way to St. Thomas. Nervous? Look at oops. A whole lot. I'm nervous. Nervous. But the word of God says, be anxious for nothing. So yeah. We'll see how that goes. He may just drive. He may drive, but because I wanted to give him that Prince King treatment, I want to drive. So we'll see how it goes. I may drive part way and then let him finish it off. So yeah, so that's what the plan is. Differently from that, I'm not sure. We'll get some content along the way and we'll see. So yeah, hey guys, hey, we are jumping. What are you jumping for? It's just me. Calm down. I'm giving myself a little spa day today. A little spa day. The kids are sleeping and I'm in a little bit of a funk. My emotions are all over the place. I'm just going through it right now. I'm going through it right now. So I was like, hey, let's give ourselves a spa day. Okay, so I washed my face, did all of that, and I've been having some blackheads. So I said, all right, I need to get rid of these blackheads. Birthdays in a couple of weeks, in like a week. In like a week. My husband's birthday is next week, and after his birthday is in 9 weeks. So, yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Um, like, you ever have so much things to do and just don't know how to do them? Right now, I need to cook. I have the dishes to wash. I have the floor to wipe. I have the house to clean, and I have the bathroom to clean. And I'm just like, I can't be bothered. I honestly cannot be bothered. I don't want to do them. I want to just lay down and relax. But it has to get done. And if it doesn't get done, who's gonna do it? So let me get to it. We're having a date night tonight. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing. Like usual. I don't even know what to wear. I don't know whether to be casual. I don't know whether to, zhuzh it up. I don't know. I don't know. And I'm not in the best frame of mind. Maybe coming out of the house to put me in a better frame of mind, but I'm not in the best frame of mind for a date night. But I'm gonna take it and I'm going to go because I want to get out of this house. So let's get ready for date nights. Guys, I can't find my little tripod. I can't find my little tripod to give you guys a little view of the outfit of the day. The outfit of the day. So my Shein package just came. I'm so excited. Well, my husband collected the Shein packages today. Those are our birthday outfits, and I am stressing because I am now realizing that because my husband started gym and he's bulking up. The man is bulking up. Large doesn't fit, and everything that I bought is a large. So now I'm just like, okay, what to do. Let's just hope everything fits. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of my stuff and I'll show you guys his stuff. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that, but I'll be doing that soon. And he saw his birthday gift. He saw one of his birthday gifts. I won't be surprised if he saw the other one, but he saw one of his birthday gifts today, and I'm just like, oh. So he was like, don't bother, I saw it. So I was like, what is it? And he was like, a vacuum. So I bought him a car vacuum for his birthday. He's been wanting one for the longest. So yeah. And I need to find that tripod because that tripod has a light attachment to it that, like, whenever the time is dark, I can be able to, turn it on. But I need a brighter light. So guys, I'm working on my content. I'm working on my lighting. I'm working on my content. I'm working on making it better. Right now, I'm really not in the best frame of mind, to be honest with you guys. I am just like here and I'm there. Sometimes I'm here, sometimes I'm just like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. So I'm constantly in a phase of, and then my content that I'm putting out, I keep asking myself, do I like my content? And I'm not sure if I really like my content. So I'm re-evaluating my content. I'm re-evaluating what it looks like right now. So like, even for example, like this, I don't want to give you guys like a little orangish, yellowish me. I want to give you a big, bright, bold and pretty me. But we gotta work with what we gotta work with until the better comes. So yeah, so I don't know where we're going for date night. He doesn't know where we're going for date night. He's asking me, do I have anywhere I want to go? I told him no, but he's just like, I just want to take you out of the house. You've been at home working and taking care of the kids, and I just want to take you out and make sure say you can what's the word, de-stress. So he wants me to de-stress, and that's what we're doing. So if we reach anywhere, when we reach anywhere, me calling her back. Alright.
Sama to yung abulo.
Guys, so as you saw, we were at skating, right? Me never skate. Or I put on the skates and I was there, but after maybe about 2 or 3 tries, so I was nervous. So I never got to skate. My nerves took over so much to the point where I couldn't skate. And there was this guy that was trying to help me, but I know how to skate. I know how to skate, but I think because I was afraid of falling, there was so much people and them I go with them antics and them. I want to see them, I want to see them, but it is what it is. We'll go back another time when there's less people there. Maybe them time to me skate better. But we're at Terra Nova right now, going to go get some drinks. We can't have a babysitter and just rush go eat. Can't do that. Better bite me, cause you know when you bite, you're biting is hot. So the vampire teeth them.
More than injecting my love into your skin.
Huh?
More than injecting my love into your skin.
No, you're not. You're hurting me. That's what you're doing. Yeah.
Love hurts.
Love is not supposed to hurt.
Put it like so.
No, no, love is not supposed to hurt. Don't bite me. It doesn't. Oh!
No, okay.
Thank you.
I'll put down 5 thanks, guy.
Love is not supposed to. That was fast.
No, me answer that quick. Because you come at them drinking inside that drinks more after.
We'll add our drinks first.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cause you
So I am literally in my kitchen hiding from my children. Not even hiding because they can see me. But I have locked myself in the kitchen because mommy just does not want to be bothered. It's after 11. Their dad fed them after 9. And these kids are mommy snack, mommy juice, mommy yogurt, mommy, 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 mommy. See there? See there? Mommy, look! Look! Look to that. Alright guys, I am here trying to wrap my husband's birthday gift. I am wrapping it with the paper that came inside of the package box, that came inside of the box. It was like a long reel of paper, so that's what I'm using. No, yesterday he mentioned that he saw it when I opened the box. And to be honest with you, I'm still going to wrap it, and baby, you're still going to be surprised when I give it to you. Because you're too numb. Too little bit and enough. Okay, why were you looking? Why were you looking? So I'm pretty much finished wrapping this, and then I was like, hey, let me pick up the phone and call my friends. My friends. Hey, when you do in social media, you be saying some crazy stuff, and you be doing some crazy stuff to make content. Yeah. I may get some wrapping paper, but I may not, because I don't see the point of getting the wrapping paper. So, yeah, I may not. So this is my other gift. It's called a tactical wallet. My husband no longer likes wallets. He is no into something more smaller. He doesn't like the bulky look in his pockets and all those fancy things. I'll show you guys what it looks like, because he'll get this after this vlog goes up. So this is what it looks like. There's a clip on the side, so just to make sure it doesn't fall out of his pocket, he'll make sure it clips into his pants pocket. And then how it works is this the way. Once he has cards on the inside, so this is the inside. Once he has cards on the inside, he's going to push the cards up. The cards are going to expose through here, and then he's going to push up, and then the cards are going to come out. So yeah, he wanted something much slimmer. Simmer you wanted, husband? Simmer you got, baby. So we're gonna wrap that as well. So those are the only two things that he was really asking for. I knew he wanted, I knew he needed the vacuum because of him always complaining about the kids making a mess in the car. So I knew he needed that. So I made sure to get him that. And then he definitely voiced that he wanted a thinner wallet. Hey guys, so I am about to go get ready for my wax appointment. So excited for that. Can you imagine? I'm so excited for my wax appointment. So my work's appointment is all the way in Portmore. She's somebody that I'm from. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. Hopefully, I'm not repeating myself, but I'll listen back to know. But she's someone who I'm familiar with. She did my massage back in March when you guys saw my husband surprise me with a massage, and she's going to be doing our couples massage. I think I mentioned that. Anyways, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Um, looking forward to that. And yeah, I'm just overall I'm looking forward to coming out of the house. I'm looking forward to being able to have some girl chat, some just doing something other than with my husband and my children. So we're about to go get ready now. It is now 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go get ready now before my husband comes, because he's going to call me and he's going to say, babe, make sure I get ready because my appointment is at 4:50. And after I booked my appointment, I was like, oh, why did you book your appointment at that time? Remember traffic. So that's why I'm going to hurry up and get ready now. Now I'll make sure to call him no. Let me figure. I'm going to call him no, because baby, you're not going to make me late. You're not going to make me late. I need to start driving on my own, because sometimes this man be making me late to my appointments. So I'm calling. Right, okay. Hi. What's up? What happened? Something's wrong. Yeah, that froze in my brain no, because when I see him upset, it's like, okay, what's going on? So I'm gonna go bathe. I'm gonna go bathe. Hi. Fresh out the shower. We are going to be using the EOS pink champagne. I got this recently and I'm in love. It smells, I don't know how it smells. I just know it smells good. I can't describe the scent. And I know that's EOS because I had the lavender. Is it lavender or vanilla? I had the vanilla one before, and properly moisturized for hours, okay? I can't even see my big old boo-boo. My cousin says it's not a boo-boo. My cousin said, get it. I don't even know what I'm lotioning for, because I'm literally going to go in the car, go in the place, and after I'm finished, back in the car, I'm back in my yard, right? But anywhere I'm going, I like to make sure that I smell good. Okay, when you see me, you're supposed to say, "Are you smell stuff?" I remember a girl did that to me one time. I remember I went to get my hair done. And I went to get my hair done, and I went in there. She was like, "I smell maple syrup." And in my head, I laughed to myself. And then she was like, And you smell so from your cup and your coat. From your coming there smell maple syrup. So it's like you smell something, so I don't know. Tell me now. And you smell so? So she said you smell so. I was like, okay. And then the Dove body wash that I just used, like it smells, it's when you come out of the shower, when you come out of the shower, that is stuck on your skin. Like it smells so amazing. Like I just love the smell when my husband comes out of the shower and it's just on him. I love it. What about the fish? You guys can tell me that I had lotion on my mouth. Imagine your birthday is coming up and you literally have no perfume. My perfume is all done. All done. I'm gonna cry. So you must spray perfume. We are on our way. Oh my gosh. I'm sitting in this car and I'm like, I don't know about anybody else, hate with a passion to park on the side of the road, and cars can potentially, you know, hate it. So yeah. But I didn't get to show you guys my fit because literally as I was prepping my camera to show you guys my fit, my husband came. So you know, we just had to hurry up and get out because my appointment is at 4:50. It is now 4 o'clock. And it's all the way in Portmore. Lord, let there be no traffic. Please. Oh, shoot! I have something for my cousin and I totally left it. I have something from two of my cousins and I totally left it. She bought something for her content and I have it, so I don't know, and I'm not going to tell this man to go back up. I did not get any clips of me waxing. I mean, when I done to me I get the wax already, don't it? Yeah, when you see me I get the wax already. So I didn't get any clips because I was late, and although not that I was late, but I was late. I was like 2 minutes late and I did not want to take up any more of her time. The type of person I am, I'm going to be considerate of your time. So I could have get some aesthetically pleasing shots from the outside. I could have shown myself walking. I could have done all of that local content stuff, but I just didn't want to waste her time anymore. And I had planned to vlog on the inside and, you know, get some shots on the inside, but as I reach, we just get into it. As I reach, we just start. So yeah, it was a good wax. The girl is nice and clean, nice and clean. But you know what I did? I did not realize that I booked a Brazilian wax when I booked a bikini wax and I need a Brazilian. So girl, I have to go home and fix that. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. Thank you guys for tuning into this vlog. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Share the vlog. Share the people them say, come on, come. Yeah. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned for Hubby's birthday vlog. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. On and I go. I promise I'm not disappointing with the birthday vlog. I'm not going to disappoint. See ya. Bye.